In today's video, we're going to make our own hairspray and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe is great if you're looking for a hairspray with only a few ingredients. It's light, fragrant, and it does the trick. All right, let's get to it. We need an 8-ounce amber plastic PET spray bottle, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol or vodka. The alcohol preserves the spray. Essential oils I like to use are lavender and rosemary. Lavender can induce calm, improve blood circulation, and is antifungal. Rosemary can also improve blood circulation, can increase mental clarity, and is antibacterial. Both oils promote hair growth. Bring 1 cup of water to a light boil, then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Allow the mixture to cool, then add 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol or vodka. Then add 10 drops of lavender and 5 drops of rosemary essential oils. Place the hairspray into an 8-ounce amber plastic PET spray bottle. You can adjust the sugar amounts depending on how weak or strong you want the spray, but don't add too much or the spray will become sticky. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Use within 2 weeks and store in a cool and dry space. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.